this video I'm going to walk you through how to set image duration in Capcut on your PC. The first thing you need to do is open up Capcut, then import the images you want to use into the timeline. Next thing you do is click on the image in the timeline to select it. So just select one image, then look for duration options, which are located in the right side panel or above the timeline. Set the duration. You can do that manually or use the slider. Now if you're doing that manually, type desired duration. It can be 2 seconds, that's 2s for 2 seconds. Then if you're using the slider, drag the slider to adjust duration visually. You can do the same thing, follow the same step for each image you want to adjust. Then apply the same duration to multiple images. If you want to apply the same duration to multiple images, just simply hold down the shift key and click on the first and the last images you want to adjust. You can also click and drag your mouse over the images to select them. Once multiple images are selected, you can now adjust their duration simultaneously using the duration option. Now, for the following tips, giving you the following tips for setting image durations. Shorter durations create a faster pace, while longer durations create a slower, more contemplative feel. If you're using music, adjust your image durations to match the rhythm and tempo of the song. Also, don't forget to experiment. Try different durations to see what looks and feels best for your project. By following these steps, you can easily control the duration of your images in Capcut and create visually dynamic videos. I know you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a lovely day or evening depending on your time zone.